Good morning everyone. Today we will make the same video on how to create mobile app tags. This video will be basically in English language, as the last video which we made on how to make mobile app tags was in Hindi. So for my English viewers, I am creating a new video on how to create mobile app tags, Android tags, banner tags, which will help the programmatic advertising professionals on the process to how to create mobile app tags, Android tags on uh, Google Ad Manager. So we will see how this process works. So we will go in inventory part, then we will go in ad units. In ad units we will search for one test unit to remove the filters. We will take one test mobile, go on tags, then instead of Google Publisher tag you will choose mobile application tag. You will continue. So here you can see there are only two things available, which is ad unit ID and size of the tag. So you have to just copy this tag, you need to paste the same into any word or text for implementation purpose. So these, as you can see, both the size as where the tag is pasted. Then you have to go to the Android Ad Manager Android guidelines for how to implement such tags. You can click and open a new tab. So here you don't have to read all these. You have to go through the basic implement banner ads. Click on the banner ads. You have to go to the main activity and to copy this code sample. You have to paste it here. The only difference is that you need to put this ad ID banner which has been created, this code which has been created through via the Google Ad Manager, and you have to put ad underscore ID underscore s banner equals to 37, whatever the ad your Google Ad Manager code is, and then you have to paste the same code which has been pasted from here, this one, the main activity code. But you have to make changes in the second last line, which is ad size, ad unit ID string ad ID banner. You have to paste it in this way. This is the first part. Second part, you have to copy and paste this is main activity except, which is protected void create bundle. You have to just copy and paste this second part, and the code is created. You need to give this code to your developer, and if you yourself are a part of the development time, you can just copy paste this code in that location for implementation of ad mobile app ad tags for under Google Ad Manager. So why these ad tags are different, I will again revise you the same process which I followed here. you have to, this is home, you have to go in inventory, and you have to go in the ad units, search for any test ad unit. For test, like this is for a testing purpose, sample purpose, so I am creating only a test tag. But for production purpose you have to use your own new tags. So you have to go in the tag settings, then go into mobile application tag, then you have to continue. You have to copy and paste this both. This is the with this ad unit ID, and this is the ad unit size. Both is copy pasted here. Then you have to go in Android manager guide. Don't have to see all this. You have to go into implement banner ads. Implementing banner ads, you have to first you have to add ad manager ad view to the layout, where you have to copy paste this main activity, copy this, paste it here, but the first line should be of ad underscore IDS banner, and the code of your ad unit should be there, and in the second last line of the first code you have to mention it in this manner: ad unit code string ad ID underscore s banner. And you have to go in the second one. This is the excerpt main activity, so where you have to copy this and paste. You don't have to copy all these package and all. You have to start from protected void and copy paste it here. Mobile app tags are different from the GPT tags, because generally GPT tags, I will give you an example, that once you go in inventory, then you chose ad unit, you choose test, and suppose you want to create a GPT tag, so you don't have to go anywhere else. You have to put here, you have to select Google Publisher tag, you have to continue. It is not a passback tag, so don't create passback tag. You can enable single request, you can collapse empty divs. So if you want to enable out of page creatives, you can create out of page creatives. You want to enable it for live traffic, you can enable. Then you have to continue. So this is the whole code available over here. You have to copy paste both these codes and give it to developer for implementation purpose. You don't need to follow any kind of guides for implementation of the same. So this is how the GPT tags work. For Android tags, you don't have to follow this procedure. You have to follow what I have already told you in this video. So this is it for the image banner tags for Android app. In the next video we will discuss about interstitial tags implementation, and we'll see how the interstitial tags are implemented. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.